జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. అరణ్యకాండ. Lakshmana, go to your brother like that. She sent me here. Oh my dear brother, Rama, even after she forced me to go, I did not move from there. In addition to that, I told her that, Amma Sitamma, my Rama, there is no one on this entire earth who can scare my Rama. Oh Sitamma, you don't be scared. Please do not cry. Those screamings are not Rama's screamings. Someone imitated Rama. Oh Rama, I also told like this to Sitamma. Oh Sitamma, my brother Rama by himself can protect all the devatas. Do you think that Rama would say, protect me? No, never. He would never say those kind of words. And it never creates that kind of situation where Rama would ask to protect. So Sitamma, do not cry. Believe me, that tone is not Rama's tone. And don't cry like a ordinary woman. Like this, oh Rama, I told Sitamma, and also I told like this, there is no one on this earth and also in the entire three worlds, nasosti trishu lokeshu. In these three worlds, no one has born jatova, jayamanova, sanyuge yah parajayet. No one has born, no one is now born, no one is going to be born who can defeat my Rama in the war, in the battlefield. Oh Sitamma, do not cry. Even Rama can fight with all the devatas, Indra, Devendra also, and defeat them. That is my Rama's strength and Rama's valor and power. Oh Rama, even after I told all these things, Sitamma did not believe in it. And Sitamma, with so much, she is crying and saying that, Vuvacha asruni munchanti darunam mamidam vachaha. While moving to tears, while crying a lot, Sitamma harshly spoke to me like this. Now Lakshmana is going to tell what exactly Sitamma said, all those words to Rama. Lakshmana is saying to Rama that, oh my dear brother Rama, Sitamma spoke to me very harshly. What did she say, you know? Oh Lakshmana, you are planning to kill your own brother, thinking that if your brother is killed, you would be able to enjoy me. But Lakshmana, that is never going to happen. Oh Lakshmana, you and your brother Bharata, both of you made a plan. And according to that plan, you followed Rama into this forest, thinking that whenever you get a chance, you would kill Rama. You did not came with Rama with affection or any kind of devotion. You just came with Rama into this forest only to kill Rama and you can get me. Oh Lakshmana, now I realize that you are the one who is the biggest enemy to Rama. Like this, oh my dear brother Rama, Sitamma spoke to me harshly and she said whatever it comes to her mouth. Oh my dear brother Rama, when Sitamma spoke to me like this, Samrabdho Raktalochanaha, I cried a lot, my eyes got red and my lips started shaking, and when Sitamma spoke to me like this, I felt that I have to move from there. Then ashramat abhinirgataha, immediately I left from there. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.